Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Let's start a new topic today. Very interesting topic. This is called how you can earn as much as you can from your SEO services by giving your local clients a very good SEO service as a SEO freelancer. So what I have written here, you can earn from 10k to 50k and more than 50k also from your home as working SEO freelancer. How you can do that? Isn't it amazing? Yes, obviously, as I am doing the same. I'm an SEO freelancer and I'm doing SEO for different clients all over the world, and especially for UK and for Australia based clients and India also. So how I have achieved this position and how people are finding me in Google. This is the main thing. You have to show yourself in Google, or you have to present yourself in Google. So let's begin the session today. How you can do that? You can see my first point is rank in top 3 position in Google Map. Do you know Google Map? Yeah, I think everyone know Google Map. When you can find anything, like if people are searching for a keyword SEO freelancer in Kolkata, you should present your name in top 3 of Google Map so that people can find you properly and they will contact you to give you the projects. So these are the things you have to do a good ranking in Google Map. How we can do that? Just subscribe to my channel and I'll give you the ideas how to do that. And another thing is cold call from local directories. Local directories mean if you are from India, Just Dial, India Mart, Shulekha.com, YellowPages.com, all these are called local directory sites. Go to different categories and click on the categories, so that means you can find different types of business names. Just note down the name and the phone numbers and call from your phone. It's totally depend upon you that how many people you should call in a day. Suppose you are calling 10 to 15 people in a day, and I'm sure that if you have a very good speech, or if you have a very good knowledge, or if you have a very good communication power to tell your clients, means why they will hire you as a SEO professional or SEO freelancer, then you will definitely get the projects. Remember, you have to make a very good speech and you have to satisfy them with your budgets and everything. Remember, don't give anyone a very big budget. Always give a reasonable budget. This is the thing, so that you can get a good clients, and this is the mantra, success mantra of cold calling business. Okay, so and another thing is, we all know social media is a very big part in our life and we can do a lot of things from social media. For that particular thing, we are, especially me, I am believing in Facebook, I am believing in LinkedIn also. You can see when you will type SEO freelancer in Kolkata, in second position you will find a name called Sudip with my Facebook page. So how I rank there with my Facebook page, this is another tricks. You have to subscribe to my channel to know that. Also you can join my SEO training course here in Kolkata. I am offering this to learn all these tips and tricks. But if you can do it from your home, you can do that. But optimize. So the thing is, let me complete my third point. You have to optimize your profile in LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional platform for all the professional people. This is a social network which is very much in demand right now, and people are looking for a good people in LinkedIn only. So you have to optimize your profile in LinkedIn. First of all, you have to make a very good profile with a very good headshot. Headshot means your face. So make a very good picture, optimize yourself, give a very good summary what you are doing, what you can do for your client, and after that give some, put some portfolio there, so that means client can see what you have done before for other clients, so that they will hire you. Okay, and don't forget to give your contact number, your Skype ID, or your email address. Okay, and another thing, you have to look after for different groups in LinkedIn, different SEO groups, or any other types of group you have to join, and you have to participate in those particular groups to tell your or to share your knowledge. Okay, and another thing is you have to increase the connections of people who they are looking for services like SEO or SMO or email marketing or lead generation process, because in LinkedIn there are a lot of different types of business categories. Owners are there, HR professionals are there, and if you will target them with a good hashtag or with a good or mentioning them in your post, it will give you a better visibility, and people will check your profile and they'll get back to you with a very good message. So that in this case you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And how to optimize it properly, you can check Google for the steps, or you can subscribe to my channel again for the next videos. And also you can join my SEO training course or digital marketing training course if you are from Kolkata only, or I am providing the online training course also. If you want, you can join that. And the thing is, already I have discussed, this is Facebook page optimization. I have a Facebook page that is optimized with a lot of keywords, and for an example, if you type in Google India, like google.co.in, and you will search for SEO Freelancer in Kolkata, and you will find me in position number 2 with my Facebook page. My name is Sudip, remember that. And another thing is how to optimize Facebook page. Do you know how to make a Facebook page in Facebook? I think we all know that every company, each and every company having their Facebook page right now, but most of the companies don't know how to optimize this, how to get more likes, how to increase the visitors, how to increase the engagement on that particular page. But yes, remember, people are offering a paid like services right now, but this is totally fake. Don't go for that. Go for a genuine process, organic process, right? So that means you can get a long-term visitors and a very good traffic and very good business, and you can earn up to 50k and more than 50k to 1 lakh. It's up to you. You can do that. So you have to optimize your Facebook page properly with your pictures, with a very good username, with a very good about page, and you can do you can post Facebook note also. As we can see that it means note means this is a your story part in Facebook, and you can see that your story section in the right side of your Facebook page. And try it today and you will get to know how to make a Facebook page for you. Don't forget to design a very good and good looking cover photo for your Facebook page. Always do that, so that means people can grab you can grab the attention of people and they will hire you. Don't forget to give your services, what you are offering in your cover photo, in your Facebook page cover photo. But remember, you have to think about text and HTML ratio. It means don't put too much text in your Facebook post or Facebook images. This will hurt your post engagement. Suppose you are looking for, or you are promoting your page, you are promoting your Facebook page. In that case, if you will give too much of text, if you will design your cover photo with too much of text, it may harm. You cannot get that much of people, or it will violate Facebook rule. So this is the thing. And another thing is, so in this case, you have to optimize your Facebook profile. You have to Facebook page optimization. So in that case, you can, and one more thing I forgot to remember, sorry guys. So in Facebook page, you have Facebook giving us a section, right, like services you are offering. So you can add different services and you can mention the prices of your services, and you can a bit of description you can give in the services section, so that people can know what you are offering and how you are offering. You can put the, you can write what the services you are offering, how you can do that for your clients. So all these things, blah blah blah, etc., you have to put in your Facebook page. Remember, this Facebook page will treat as a personal website for your own branding, right? So in that case, you should optimize it properly. And how you can optimize it? You will go to my page, you will go to my Facebook page, you will find SEO Freelancer Kolkata or Sudip SEO Freelancer. You will get to know how to optimize the Facebook page. And one more thing, choose your username properly, username wisely. Don't forget to put your name and your primary keywords. Like for me the primary keywords is SEO Freelancer or SEO expert, and I have put that particular primary keywords or key phrases in my username, so that I can get an optimized Facebook page URL for Google and I can get the better position there. So thank you guys for watching me. And another thing, point number 5, rank your website in Google plus target multi cities of your country. Like if you have a website, you can, if you don't want to invest too much of money into making your website, you can do that from a free website builder. Like there are a lot of free website builder in Google. Like you can check out with WordPress, you can check out with Wix, or you can go with Weebly. I prefer Weebly because Weebly is a very good free website builder platform, and you can make your website very easily within a half an hour or 1 hour. If you have your content ready, content means website content ready, then in max to max 1 hour you can make your own website with optimized content in Weebly. Remember the name, weebly.com, WEEBLY.com. remember this. So you have to make a free website in weebly.com, and you have to optimize that particular website, and you have to do on page, you have to do off page, and you have to do link buildings, etc. for that particular website to rank this on top of Google, like in top 3 position in Google. And for better reach and for better business, you don't just target your own city or own country. Go for a multiple country, go for a different cities in India. Suppose you are from India, as I am from India, so, and I want to target my business in different cities like Indore, like Ahmedabad, like in Jaipur, in Pune, in Mumbai, in Thane, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad also, blah blah blah, like that way. So I have to make different pages for different cities. Okay, so if you will have different pages for different cities with different contents, then you can, this is another tricks to get rank with different keywords on Google as a SEO freelancer. So that, and benefits of this, how these different cities and different pages will help you to make 50k and more than that. Suppose you are in Kolkata and you are working as a SEO freelancer in Kolkata, but a doctor from Indore is looking for a SEO candidate, and that particular doctor is not able to find a good good guy. And in that case, just think about it, guys. In that case, if you will be in rank with the keyword SEO freelancer or SEO expert in Indore, and a doctor is finding that particular keyword SEO freelancer or SEO expert in Indore to promote my website in Google, and that particular doctor will find you. So I hope you understood why I am telling you to make multiple cities pages. I think you got to know. Yeah, thank you guys. Another thing, last thing, you have to run a very good blog. You can run a niche blog. Niche blog means, suppose I have a plan to build a blog based on health, only health. So this is called niche blog. And if you want to make a miscellaneous blog, means where there would be different categories like home improvement categories, like health categories, like parenting categories, like interior design categories, like computer and electronics categories, gadget categories, all this etc. All these comes under miscellaneous blog. So if you want to make something extra money from blogging, then also this will also gives you help you to reach these 50k marks or plus 50k. So you have to do a very good blog. You have to know how to do blogging. You have to know how to write a good blog and how to market a blog properly. And then once you will get 1000 or 500 page views in a month, in that case you can go for a paid guest posting. Paid guest posting means, suppose some of your friend are looking for a blog to promote his website. In that case, if that particular your friend will find your blog as a very with a very good traffic, then he will approach you and you will tell them, yes, I can give you a link from your blog, but you have to pay $2 to $10 for one link. And in that case, that particular case, you can earn from a guest blogging. Why this is a guest blog? Because the blog is yours and you are publishing other person's blog in your content, in your blog with their link. So as a guest they are writing for you. So that's why this is called a guest blog. So in this case, try to push your blogs in Google rank with different queries. Like suppose you have written a blog on 5 ideas for landscaping of my new home. Who don't love landscaping? Everyone loves and everyone wants to know the ideas. So this is a query of your customers. So this is a query of your visitors. So in that case, if someone is typing landscaping ideas for my new home, and they will find your blog on top of Google and they will click on it, in this case your blog is getting visited. So like this particular keyword means what people are searching. In this case, for an example, 5 landscaping ideas for my new home. This is a keyword. So with this keyword you have came upon Google and people are looking